Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Model Rocket Kits is probably one of the most exciting and educational hobbies you can pick up, offering a fantastic blend of STEM learning, hands-on building, and the thrill of watching your creation soar into the sky. From simple, ready-to-launch kits perfect for beginners to more advanced models that allow for customization and experimentation, there's a model rocket kit out there for everyone, regardless of age or experience level. This video will help you navigate the world of model rockets and choose the perfect kit to ignite your passion for aerospace. Number 5. Estes 1491 Taser Rocket. Experience the excitement of watching your own rocket soar into the sky. It's a journey from building to launch, filled with wonder and learning. It's easy to assemble this beginner-level rocket. The pre-colored parts make construction a breeze, so you can get to the launch quickly. For optimal performance, consider using A8-3, B4-4, B6-4, B6-6, C6-5, or C6-7 engines. These will help it reach impressive heights. With the right engine, it can reach altitudes of up to 1,100 feet. That's quite a sight to behold. It only takes about an hour to assemble, excluding paint drying time. You'll be ready for liftoff in minutes. This rocket features a custom 3-fin design, setting it apart from others. It's a unique addition to your rocket collection. It's more than just a toy, it's a hands-on science experiment. Learn about rocketry while having a blast. What we like. It boasts a simple construction and vibrant pre-colored parts, saving you time and effort. Its unique design lets you personalize it. If you're a beginner or short on time, this is perfect for you. What people say. The directions were clear and easy to follow, and after a short time we had a rocket ready to launch. They are somewhat easy to assemble, but you have to glue most of the pieces and you need some patience. I know you or your kids want to launch it immediately, but better off waiting for all the glue to dry. But, they fly great. Not bad at all with the A8 engines as well. For a modest price, this included a Taser rocket and the adjustable angle portapad launch pad. Some assembly is required. Together with my tween kids this took about a half hour to assemble, most of that time being dedicated to waiting for the super glue to set as we added each piece. Directions are fairly straightforward and the process is safe. Number 4. National Geographic Rocket Launcher. It's the rechargeable, motorized rocket toy that soars up to 200 feet. Get ready for hours of outdoor fun with up to 20 flights on a single charge. Choose your adventure with 3 different height settings. It's easy to adjust, making it perfect for all skill levels. It features innovative helicopter-like rotor blades for a safe and controlled descent. No more worrying about lost or damaged rockets. It comes with everything you need to get started, a launch pad, charging cable, and even decals to customize it. Just open the box and start playing. It's more than just a toy, it's a fun and engaging way to learn about science and engineering. We're committed to providing high-quality, educational toys for kids. What we like. This rocket offers a thrilling, motorized launch with adjustable flight settings for varied altitudes. The innovative rotor blades ensure a safe return. If you want exciting, high-flying action with ease of use, choose this one. What people say. It's easy for him to launch, goes up pretty high, and the way it comes down like a helicopter is as cool as how it goes up. It has a green light so it can easily flown at dusk when there is less wind. You can easily see it as it goes up and as it comes down. The helicopter return comes down reasonably quickly, so if there is wind it doesn't blow too far away. The rocket deserves 5 stars for its engineering, performance and fun level, but since it has to be lightweight to fly, it is very fragile. It does fly very high and then opens to rotate copter style downward to land. Number 3. Estes 1441 Journey Rocket Kit. Get ready for liftoff with the Estes 1441 Journey. This beginner-friendly model rocket kit is perfect for ages 10 and up. It features pre-colored parts, making assembly a breeze. You'll be soaring in no time. Watch it climb up to 1,100 feet. It's an incredible sight to see your creation reach such heights. A variety of engines are recommended for optimal performance, allowing you to customize your flight experience. It's more than just a toy, it's a hands-on science experiment. Learn about rocketry while having a blast. Everything you need is included in one box. Just add some engines and get ready to launch. With simple instructions, you can assemble it in about an hour. That's quick and easy. What we like. It's designed for beginners with pre-colored parts and simple assembly. Yet, it achieves impressive heights. If you are a first-timer seeking a high-flying experience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very easy to put together. Best first rocket model kit for kids. Very solid rocket. Good basic launch stand. Does what you want, stores pretty well. Has everything you need to get started, except engines and wadding. Number 2. Estes Big Bertha Rocket. Get ready to experience the thrill of rocketry with the Estes Big Bertha. It's easy to assemble and perfect for beginners. Notice the precision laser-cut wood fins. They ensure stability and accuracy during flight, making it a joy to watch. With self-stick decals and simple instructions, you'll have it ready to launch in no time. It's that easy. Watch it soar to impressive heights. It's designed for a projected maximum altitude of 500 feet. Equipped with an 18-inch parachute, it makes for a gentle and safe return to Earth. Enjoy the soft landing. It's an Estes original, built with quality materials and designed for reliable performance. You can trust it to deliver an exciting launch. This rocket uses a standard engine, readily available and easy to use. Get ready for liftoff. What we like. This model features high-quality laser-cut fins and a classic design. It's a reliable and satisfying build. If you appreciate quality materials and a traditional rocket experience, this is for you. What people say. This is the perfect starter rocket. Forget those pre-painted ones with plastic fins that snap into place. That's not what the rocket hobby is all about. You want to feel like you've actually built something. You want to sand some balsa, and glue some stuff together. You want to learn a few lessons about precision when it comes to lining up the fins, and some more lessons about patience while waiting for that glue to dry. You want to paint your rocket yourself so that when it's high above your head you can smile and know that this is something you created. This is one that's a great build if you have a little patience and don't mind sanding the fins, as they are thick enough that you can shape the edges any number of ways, or even put a slight airfoil shape to the entire fin. The Bertha series, Big and Baby, are true timeless Estes classics. Big, slow **** liftoff. It's still relatively quick, but that's normal for launching a cardboard tube into the sky with a black powder motor, and a graceful descent back to Earth. It's a classic that belongs in everyone's rocket collection. It's also a blast to customize, a very wide open design and stable platform, works great with 3 to 8 fins. Yes, I said 8. Number 1. Estes AVG Rocket Bulk Pack. Experience the excitement of building and launching your own rockets. It's a fantastic way to learn about science and have a blast. This beginner-friendly rocket is simple to put together, with pre-colored parts to make it even easier. Get ready for liftoff. It can soar to impressive heights, depending on the engine you choose. See how high it can fly. Try different engines and accessories to understand how rockets work and customize your flight. The possibilities are endless. With simple instructions and pre-colored parts, it's the ideal rocket for first-time builders. Get ready for an out-of-this-world experience. Grab your pack of 12 rockets and prepare for hours of fun, learning, and amazing launches. Blast off. What we like. This offers a fantastic value with multiple rockets in one pack, providing variety and fun for group activities. If you need multiple rockets for a class, club, or large event, this is the most economical option. What people say. These are great beginner kits to get kids interested in rocketry. Their small size doesn't diminish the fun. These are about 12 rockets reaching 1,200 to 1,600 foot altitude. You can build one and paint it the same day. The variety and skill levels added challenges to those students who wanted a more advanced rocket, balsa wood fins and parachute, versus the entry-level rockets with preformed fin caps and streamer recovery. Very nice packaging. Relatively easy to assemble even for a beginner. Had a lot of fun with the grandkids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.